Hey there, everyone. Josh Crowfoot here, Crowfoot Law Firm in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I'm a commercial real estate lawyer. We're here on day 11 for Commercial Real Estate 101. And today I just wanted to say a few words about the title search, which is part of your due diligence when purchasing commercial real estate. And I just wanted to highlight what things you're really looking for in a title search. The main thing that you're looking for in a title search are any monetary obligations that you're going to have as buyer once you own the property. So what you're going to do is hire a title abstractor to pull all the documents of record recorded against the property. They're typically in the local recording office, could be the Register of Deeds, Clerk of Court, RMC, whatever your state calls them. But they're going to have all of the documents that affect the property, affect title. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you review those documents or have your lawyer review them to ensure that there are no surprise monetary obligations for you to take care of while you own the property. The documents that always have some sort of financial obligation in them for a buyer are things like a declaration, a master deed, CCRs, which stand for covenants, conditions, and restrictions. These are documents that are recorded against the property, especially when the property being acquired is a part of a larger parcel with associated with other lots, and other owners own those lots, and you all share in the common expenses. And there's some sort of association that's levying dues to take care of those common area expenses or common area maintenance expenses. Those are the things you want to be looking for. The other documents that are also key in a title search are any of those documents that affect your rights as an owner, that directly affect your fee interest in the property. So things like right to purchase or option to purchase. If there's a lease in place, is there an option to renew? A right of first refusal, a right of first offer, all of those things are going to affect your ownership interest in the property. I hope you learned something.